Okay, so on Tuesday, Wednesday, the 17th and 18th of March, you should have done page 180, exercise 2, and that is una campaña política. Elige el verbo apropiado y escribe el mandato en la forma de ustedes para inventar lemas para una campaña política. So you're basically using the correct verb. You have to choose between the two in parentheses. And you're going to write it in the mandato form for ustedes to invent a new motto for a political campaign. So the modelo says solucionar or comercializar. And the answer would be solucionen. That's solucionar in the forma de ustedes en el mandato. Los problemas económicos con Jaime. And then number 1 is invertir or advertir, to invest or to advertise. And you want to blank en la sociedad. Voten por Silvia. So do you want to invest in society or advertise in society? Invest. So you would choose invertir and you would put it in the ustedes form for the mandato, which would be inviertan. Inviertan en la sociedad. Voten por Silvia. All right, and you can do the rest. Next, you should have done page 182, exercise 4. And that was a comprensión del folleto técnico. So I provided you with Mejor Aire, a new product, a technical brochure, and that is on page 181. So you do exercise 4. You have a word box, and you're going to use the words to complete the following sentences. So number 1 is El Mejor Aire es un aparato, and the answer is novedoso. All right. Then we go over the regular old subjunctive, and you need to, basically it's the mandato. It's the same thing, guys. It's the same thing. And check out the Car-Garzar stuff. And then you use that to do exercise 6 on 184. So if you guys comment and need it, I'll do a separate video lesson on just conjugating in the subjunctive so that you guys can have some notes for that. So for exercise 6, it says, completa cada oración con la forma correcta del verbo. So it gives you the verb they want you to conjugate in parentheses, and you need to figure out how to write it in the subjunctive. In this case, we're writing a subjunctive with impersonal statements or opinions. What do they call them? Impersonal expressions. So impersonal meaning there's no subject, like not I think, rather than it's better that. So it's not I think it's better that, just I'm stating impersonally, it is better that. Okay, so for example, it says, es importante que todos nosotros blank las leyes, and it has respetar in parentheses. So we have to conjugate respetar for nosotros in the subjunctive. That would be, es importante que todos nosotros respetemos las leyes. All right, so go ahead and do these sentences. And again, this should really help you get through that. And the picture's already up in the assignment. Make sure you guys are doing your assignments in the document provided so that it's easier for me to collect and correct. All right, then on the 19th and 20th, you were supposed to do exercise 8 on page 185. So this is also using the subjunctive, but now you guys have to kind of create your own sentences based on these pictures. So this is page 185, exercise 8. The modelo has a newspaper classifieds section, and then the person used one of these word box options and created the sentence, no es raro que los periódicos digan la verdad. So you got to think of sentences to go with these pictures. Like, es peligroso que esa señora camine con la señora mayor. Yikes. Okay. And then also do exercise 9. Según los expertos, es necesario que hagamos ciertas cosas para proteger el medio ambiente. According to the experts, it's necessary that we do certain things to protect the environment. ¿Por qué es necesario que hagamos estas cosas? Why is it necessary that we do these things? Habla contigo mismo sobre estos temas. Talk with yourself about these issues. Usen el subjuntivo. So the modelo says valorar la contaminación. No, I thought that sounded weird. Valorar la innovación. To value innovation. So the A sentence would be, ¿por qué es necesario que valoremos la innovación? And the answer you've got to come up with on your own. Es necesario que valoremos la innovación para solucionar problemas nuevos. So check out that it says valoremos. Valorar is an AR verb, but look how we're using the ER endings. That's pretty much the same thing we did with the mandato, and that's how we do the subjuntivo also. All right, that's everything we have to do. Check in at the indicated time for dry erase race. You'll see it'll be awesome. Bye.